warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahma Khalillah Najwa, NIM 240191109 from Engkatu. I will present about the podcast that listened to with the title How Think and Speak in English. This is for details. I have made a summary and I will explain. Starting with a simple mind, the first step to thinking and speaking in English. It's to start simple thinking, try to describe daily activity. For example, I'm making lunch, or I need to buy ingredients to make a cake. 2. Making English a part of daily life to practice in English, consistently integrate English into daily activity. For example, how is the weather tonight? 3. Shadowing technique. Shadowing technique involves listening to original speaker and reading their words directly. 3. Talking to others is the best way to practice in English. You can talking with tourists or your teacher or something like that. 4. Self-reflection. Every day take 2 time write or record talks in English. And last, conclusion. By applying the tips above, you can improve your thinking and speaking skills in English. Previously, I explained the summary of the podcast. Now, I will explain the some unfamiliar phrasing. 1. Native speaker. A person who speaks language as their first language. 2. Immerse oneself in. To fully engage or surround oneself with something. 3. Pick up on. To notice or understand something indirectly. 4. Language barrier. Difficult in communication due to different language. 5. Fluence. The ability to speak a language smoothly and accurately. And the last, I explain about my reflection. 1. Why I chose this podcast? Because this podcast is intended for beginners who want to learn English or are motivated to learn English. 2. What was the main message of the podcast? The main message of this podcast is to encourage listeners to start thinking and speaking in English gradually through simple and consistently practice. 3. I'm satisfied with the content. I am satisfied because this podcast is very easy for beginners to understand using simple language. 4. How did the speaker use the language to convey idea? The language used by the speaker is very easy to understand, but there's some vocabulary or phrases that need to be found out first. 5. What kinds of challenge did you feel when listening to the audio? As far I listened, I had difficulty understanding the terms that the speaker was explaining, and there were some things that the speaker was not clear about pronunciation. And the last, how did speaker tone, pitching, or accent affect your comprehension of the episode? The tone, speed, or accent didn't really matter when I listened, but there were some things I repeat because I didn't really hear or understand what the speaker was explaining.